What's up guys, it's Anthony, and today's video we're going to be installing this 4-liter back into my Jeep XJ Rusty, and so I'm going to bring you guys along for that. We're going to see if we can't get the engine set back in there, torque converter bolts bolted back up, and just kind of see where else we can get. I got a few hours I could spare to work on it tonight, depending on how tired I get, how quickly, and how long I struggle for this, because I've never done this, so we're just figuring it out. So let's go ahead and jump on into this. I'll set you guys up, and we will get the cherry picker picked up and start stuffing it in there. Alright, it's pretty much all buttoned up now. I haven't really filmed much, but yeah, pretty much everything's all buttoned up. Air filter, everything, coolant's topped off. We just got the front clip on, so the only other thing we got to do is untuck all my wiring for my lights, put my front bumper on, put the rear bumper on, and otherwise, I mean, we're pretty much good. We have lower control arm drop brackets to do and shackle relocation brackets, but I think we're just going to try and get the front bumper on and maybe deal with the rear bumper. We'll see, but I want to try and go wheeling. This whole journey was supposed to be for going to Moab, but life just said otherwise, so we're going to go to Moab a different time, but we're definitely going to go wheeling for my birthday. Still going to get this thing going, get it on the road, and go have some fun with it, but it's almost complete. What's up guys? So today's video, we got the Jeep and we're in the mountains, and my wife and my daughter are back there while I was airing down, and yeah, so let's get on the trail. Little driver here. More driver. Brooklyn, stay here. There you go. Stay here, stay back. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, we're just up here at the playground. My daughter's climbing around on the rocks. I made my wife go and get my Jeep, make her drive over here for the first time.
Hey, Mom, I'm right here.
Keep going. Go. Yeah. Okay, now come this way. Driver, and come this way. There you go. Now just drive on the road. Now just drive on the road.
You're so soft, girl. I could cuddle on you all day. I haven't been here cuddling in a long time.
Yeah. You can park right there. Alright, so it was kind of a letdown, but I just wanted to throw this in. I'll probably throw it in somewhere, I don't know. But made it home. Jeep did, I think it's got like 250 miles on it since we installed the new engine, so should be good. Yeah, Jeep did pretty good. The Ironclads loop at Bunce is getting a little bit gnarly for my little 31s. But once we get some rock sliders and maybe go up in tire size, should be good. So not too bad. But yeah, me and my wife and my daughter, we just kind of disconnected and hung out for the day. We got a couple little videos, but nothing too much. But hope you guys did enjoy. Has been Anthony, and I'll see you guys later.